Right, there's an average speed check camera here, by the way. I just got a warning for it.
Uh-huh.
Bastards.
I think we're just going to have to fucking send them. After this red car, we'll just send it all at once. Let's go.
Yep. Yes, there's average speed check cameras here.
Yeah.
In again.
Get some air in. Oh, that's better. Still quite clammy, yeah.
Yes, aye.
One.
Oh, that's a nice Golf. I'm sitting behind this for a minute.
White one.
No, the red one.
Red one behind us.
Red one is
Aye.
nice, eh?
That is cracking.
That was
Absolutely
my first
cracking.
decent car. 1.6 Gold GTI, KGN 8.7W.
Uh-huh.
Watches.
Thank you, X4. Ever so kind. That guy in that red van, guaranteed to be on his phone. Look at the gap.
The fuck is holding this up?
It'll be like this.
Traffic lights.
It'll be like this for miles, right to the roundabout.
1.1 mile around about.
Right, it'll be right to the roundabout.
That'll only take us fucking 5 minutes. It'll even take us 5 minutes. Look at the fucking gap he's left.
Aye, idiot. I think he's a bit of a nut. Freedom. If you notice my Union Jack neck chief, he wouldn't have waved.
Fuck, we're on a bike, eh?
Yep.
I'll mark
It's all
this.
garbage.
I can mark
See in
this
the
on
fucking
that.
distance.
It's moved over, thank you. To hell with sitting in this. Imagine sitting in this in the car.
You got a fucking choice, have you really?
That's a bit extreme, but thanks anyway, mate.
400 metres to the roundabout. Look at the fucking speed cameras.
Right, your average speed cameras. I don't know why
Yeah,
they
that's
put
the average
average.
ones I was telling you about.
Well, if you get anything over an average of 20 mile an hour, does that mean you're breaking the law? A 50 limit?
Marijuana.
Oh, aye, that's strong, eh?
Yep.
Yes. Oh, aye, that's strong. Somebody's smoking the weed, man.
Guy at the van, I think.
Broke my lid to clear it.
The guy in the blue car moving out to stop you.
Nah, I just
Oh,
got.
maybe he's done it that way now.
Nah, he's gone straight over. He's just been a chump.
So are we, as soon as you get a gap. He'll stop me now and there'll be a gap for us. Let's get right through that.
There's our gap there. That's a woman. She was quite tidy.
Another 2.5 miles of this.
Right, right to the roundabout.
Look at the gaps. Moved over, you get a run.
I bet they didn't want you passing them, did they? Honestly, some of them are fucking chumps. That Toyota that was coming towards me, I thought he was just going to cross over into my lane. Sorry. Thank you, Audi.
Caravan coming up.
Caravan. There's another. That's the third Audi that's moved over nicely. Thanking you.
Van coming up.
I'll need to pull in because Kia Features is moving over. He's drifting his cell over. Big puffy smoke there ahead. Could be somebody.
Scamp van.
He's got
Okay.
barbecue. Aye, barbecue.
I'll ask him if we can have a sausage.
Nice burger,
Thanks,
isn't
pal.
it?
Ah, it smells
Smell it?
nice, eh? I think we should go back and ask him for a sausage. Maybe they could have a spare sausage as well for us.
I got to watch you at this bit because if somebody's done it right.
Aye, aye, definitely.
Headbutt job. There's that hotel I went fire, isn't it?
Aye,
Cameron House.
I spent.
Yeah, that was a good insurance job for them.
Aye, spent millions on that.
Get your hotel renovated for free.
Mhm.
Mile to the next one.
You going to move over a little bit, Mr. Golf? Speeding up.
Moving a bit better. How far would you say it is from here to my house?
41 miles.
47.
50.
Oh.
You were closer, John. You win the lollipop. So get sooking.
All the fucking traffic.
Telling you, you're on fucking long. What would do they're all gonna name?
They were all having barbecues.
Second exit. Still live. Alright, let's go still.
What, this way?
Aye.
What's 5 miles between friends? It's like
5
One-
mile when you're fucking going to sit in the middle of the road and go through all these dicks.
oh, I need to fart. Hold on. Oh.
You are going to shoot your pants one of these days.
Yep.
I will
Oh, yeah.
fucking piss myself.
Well, while I've shit myself.
Shit yourself. I'll be fucking going near
Oh,
and
So
near
one of
fuck.
these will be pissed yourself, one of these will be shit yourself. Fuck's sake, man, I'm fucking wet ups.
I'm not being funny, guys, but I can fucking smell that.
Eek.
I'll be funny, I can fucking smell it in front of you.
Fuck. It's fucking wet into my helmet. That's fucking bad, eh? When you can smell your own shite on the bike.
Yes.
Ah, it's bad.
But it's, you're on a fucking bike, aye. How the fuck?
I know. John, I can smell my fart on a windy day outside. Oh, that's better. They say the average man can blow up 2 balloons a day with his arse. I think
Well, you could be that.
I could fucking quite easily beat that. Quite easy. I could blow up 2 balloons in the morning.
2 balloons a day.
Aye.